Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can create a table inside of Figma. Now this is going to require you to use a plugin, but it doesn't matter because it's actually a free plugin. So yeah, let's get to it. Now the first step is actually you want to go to the Actions menu, which is this one here, and you want to click. Now you want to go to the plugins and widgets section and you want to look for table creator, okay? Which I'm going to do right now. Now you want to click here and you want to type on, or you want to select and create table. And now let's select new template. We want to create it from scratch. And for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to keep it simple. I'm just going to keep it 3 rows and 2 columns. Let's increase the width to, I don't know, 1080, for example. Okay. And the height, I'm just going to keep it to high, which is going to make sure that, it's adjusted to the width. Now let's click on create. And as you can see here now, we have the table, and we can now give values to these cells. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select the table, as I just did, and I'm going to expand the different rows and the different cells. So I want to make sure that I'm inside of the first row, and I want to expand this cell here, and I want to expand this content, and I want to select the text, and I want to give a name to this header, to this cell, which in my case is going to be, I don't know, countries. And I'm going to do exactly the same thing for the other. By the way, I can also play with the size of this text, okay? But I'm not going to do it in this particular case, okay? By going into here, you could just, I don't know, change it to 24 or 20. It's up to you. And you're going to do the same for the other header, which is this one here, okay? Just expand this, select on text, and I'm going to do, I don't know, salaries. And I can fill the rest of the cells with different values, okay? I'm actually going to get rid of the second row just for the purpose of this video, so you see how you can do it. Just press on delete, and now this is going to be deleted. Now, let's give another value to this text. I'm going to give this, I don't know, UK, and to the other cell, I'm going to give it a value of, I don't know, 50, excuse me, let's select it here, 50,000 pounds, for example. Now, after your table is ready, you're just going to select it as so, and you're going to copy and paste it. Okay, and now you can go back to your original page here, which in my case is page 1. And now I can just copy paste, okay, by right clicking and by going to paste here. Okay, and here I have my table. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much.